Welcome to our comparison of the CORSAIR RM750x and RM850e power supplies. In this video, we will explore the key features, performance metrics, and overall value of these two popular models. Whether you're building a new PC or upgrading your current setup, understanding the differences between these power supplies will help you make the right choice for your needs. The CORSAIR RM750x offers a power output of 750 watts, which is suitable for most mid-range builds. However, the RM850e steps it up with an 850-watt capacity, making it a better choice for high-performance systems that require more power, especially when using multiple GPUs or overclocking. This higher wattage can provide more headroom for future upgrades. When it comes to pricing, the RM850e is slightly more affordable at $129 compared to the RM750x, which retails for $139. This price difference, combined with the higher wattage of the RM850e, makes it a compelling option for budget-conscious buyers looking for value without compromising on performance. The RM750x comes with a 10-year warranty, which is a testament to its reliability and build quality. In contrast, the RM850e offers a 7-year warranty. While both warranties are impressive, the longer warranty period of the RM750x may provide additional peace of mind for users concerned about long-term performance. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM750x and RM850e are excellent power supplies, each with its own strengths. The RM850e offers higher wattage and modern compatibility at a lower price, while the RM750x provides a longer warranty and proven reliability. Your choice should depend on your specific needs and future upgrade plans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.